What's in the Amazon bag? About to find out. Throw it in the bottom. I got my keys. Go ahead, I'm pulled up.
Yeah.
State Trooper. Speakers are getting hot, man. I'll do something a little while. I might have another video today, LeBron. Shoot, do some of those speakers in a minute. That's a socket right there. Borrow this way. Get this right here for me. Alright. Oh yeah, I ain't till I want to do it yet. Hey, first of all, how y'all like my speakers though? Let's see. So how y'all like my speakers, y'all? I got a new speaker box. It'd be hard to sell. Got the big boy amp, 5K, the battery, and I might go get a big 3 up under the hood. This box is right at 30 hertz. Tune to 30 hertz. It's okay though. For now. Yeah, this is the mob we're doing. Tail lights. Let me get over right there.
What up?
Yeah, this is the mob right here. These are the LED tail lights that do a little. These LED tail lights. Let's show them. They do a little flash. You hit on brakes, I'm gonna show you out in a minute. But let me get these things out right fast. The only thing you need for this is 11mm again. You got shorty screw right here, bro. You got 3 screws, 3 nuts, 11mm. You're gonna need a deep socket. This ain't nothing. Oh, you gonna have to stop right there, bro. Off I do all the editing. All right, YouTube. I got all 3 bolts out with the 11mm, and now I'm finna pull the light out.
Black side.
Can you see down there? 3. It's only 3. Very easy. Here you go, bro. Let's show them how to do this right here. Very, very easy. So, this is not a P71 tail light. All of that Amazon also. P71 don't have turn signal because these are actually a turn signal. So, bro, go on there and hit the brakes for me. You know what brakes at, bro? You know what brakes at, huh? Yeah, hit the brakes. You know what brakes at. That one right there. No. Yeah, hit that one for me. Alright, let's see. Both of them came on. I guess it don't matter. I guess it don't. Oh, there you go. Let's see. Let's see. Now hit it again, bro. So both of them come on, so I guess it don't matter. Alright, bro. That's good right there. Turn the light back off. Alright, now hold it. So it don't matter which one I change. I'm gonna change the farther one that's farther out though. No. I want to change this side look right here. I want to change the ones in. Check the ones out. All right, look, bro. I might want to save these so I don't get my fingerprints on it. Might want to save them. What the hell? Why it's so hard to get out? Oh, you got a little cramping now or some shit. I'll pull them out. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna set it down just in case. Gotta rotate these. I don't know which side is which side. You got this right here?
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna put this back in and see what happens. Yeah, buddy. Put it all the way in. Alright, now, Brandon, go hit the brakes one more time. See what happens. No one brakes there, right? Oh yeah, I like that. Y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Do it again, bro. Let it go. Do it again. Boy, that's hard. One more time, bro. See something. I'm trying to think. I'm thinking, should I go outside flash or inside flash? Do one more time, bro. I'm gonna do inside flash, so that way people won't be getting confused. Think I'm trying to turn. All right, come back, bro. Hey, I'm gonna do inside flash. Get the camera, man. I'll pull it back out again. Do the inside flash. So, yeah. This is a quick video right here, man. I ain't gotta do no editing. Try to run the whole video. Try to run the whole video. I want to flash on the inside. Boy, hot right there. I'm gonna get a doggone nighttime video for y'all. Show y'all how I look at nighttime. Go. Yeah. Let's stick it back in. And I'm gonna make LeBron. Go try it one more time before I tighten everything up. LeBron, one more time, LeBron. See how that look. I like that. I like the inside better. One more time, LeBron. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. All right, y'all. I'm finna put these bolts back in. 3 little bolts. And I'm gonna do the other side the same way. And I'm gonna save some space on my phone. And I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get both of them done, show you how it look. All right, so I just took that one out and put the other bulb in. Now I got LeBron about to hit the brakes and see how both of them look together. And then I'm gonna tighten everything down. And I guess I'm gonna repaint the bottom too. Yep. Oh, that's hard. That's hard as hell. Do it again, LeBron. Oh yeah, I like that. You too. What y'all think? Y'all like that too? I'm gonna do y'all a bonus, man. I'm gonna do y'all a bonus. Hold on one second. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of bullets are these and where you can find them at. Okay, you too. Like I said, man, I know y'all gonna like the way they look, so I'm gonna do a bonus too. I'm gonna show y'all where I got it from and the name of it, so y'all can order these too if y'all want them. I think orders on sale. I'm not sure, but this is where I got mine from right here. That's the name of them. And they cost $17. You can get them for your car. So I guess you just type in and put your car in now. Yep, that's it. Right there, they got different kinds too, y'all, different kinds. I'm gonna end up changing all my bullets to LEDs. I'll wrap this video up. I'm gonna holler at y'all a little while. Pretty good, everything works good, came out good. And I wanna show y'all my tag light. See how bright that is? You'll see it better tonight when I finish this video up. This is the LED tag light. It's really, really, really bright. Tonight you'll see. And if you wanna know what kind they are, it's Savannah LEDs. And it got kind of torn up, but you know, that's the part you need right there for the Crown Vic. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. Yep. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all a little while when the sun go down.